exercise 13.8. This exercise is based on the volume of sphere and hemisphere. With this exercise based on the volume of sphere and hemisphere. And ये exercise volume of sphere and hemisphere के ऊपर based है. So we have a sphere of this one. And the hemisphere of this. This is the hemisphere. Let the radius of the sphere be r. So then the volume of sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. The volume of the sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. And volume of hemisphere is just half of the volume of sphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So this exercise 13.8 is based on this topic, that is volume of sphere and hemisphere. इसी के ऊपर बेस्ड है हमारी एक्सरसाइज है. We start the exercise 13.8 which is based on the volume of sphere and hemisphere. The question number 1 is find the volume of a sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. You can find the volume of sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. Let radius, that is r, is 7 centimeter. We know that the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is 4 by 3, value of pi 22 by 7, value of r, that is 7 cube. This 7 cancel with this 7. This is equal to, multiply करते हैं इसको 88 into 49 और फिर डिवाइड करते हैं इसको 3 से. तो आंसर क्या आएगा? आंसर आएगा that is 1437 or 1 by 3 centimeter cube. The volume of the sphere whose radius is 7 is equal to 1437 or 1 by 3 centimeter cube, or it also can be written as 1437.33 centimeter cube. So this will be the volume of the sphere whose radius is 7. The second part is find the volume of the sphere whose radius is 0.63 meter. We know that the volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 0.63 into 0.63 into 0.63. 7. If we multiply all these quantity, we get 1.0 0.0478 meter cube. So the volume of the sphere whose radius is 0.63 meter is 1.0478 meter cube. It is the volume of the sphere. Question number 2, part 1. ये कह रहा है फाइंड द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर डिस्प्लेस्ड बाय अ सॉलिड स्फेरिकल बॉल ऑफ डायमीटर 28 centimeter. We have given the diameter. We know that the diameter is 2 times of radius. So that means the radius is. So we have to find the volume of the sphere whose radius is 14 centimeter. The volume is formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 value of pi 22 by 7 or value.
Sir, your video is closed.
14 into 14 into 14. So this is the. तो 7 2 जा 14. अब हमें इस सबकी मल्टीप्लाई करनी है. तो when we multiply तो आंसर हमारे पास कितना आएगा 11498.67 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the spherical, यानी water displaced by the spherical ball whose diameter is 28 centimeter. Now the question number 3. Question number 3. The diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. The diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. यानी we have a metallic ball, metal की ball है जिसका diameter जो है 4.2 centimeter. अब ये कह रहा हूँ what is the mass of the ball? What is the mass of the ball? If its density is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. That means we have given the density of the metal. And जिस metal की बॉल बनी हुई है उसकी डेंसिटी हमारे पास है. अब ये कह रहा है उस बॉल का मास बताना हो कितनी हैवी होगी. ठीक है ना. If the diameter of the ball is 4.2 centimeter, we know that mass equal to density into volume. मास किसके इक्वल होता है? दैट इज डेंसिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम के इक्वल हमारा मास होता है. वी हैव गिवन द डेंसिटी. जनरली डेंसिटी इक्वल टू मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम है, तो मैंने इसलिए मास इक्वल टू डेंसिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम कर दिया. डेंसिटी हमारे पास है 8.9. बस हमको क्या करना है, इस डेंसिटी को मल्टीप्लाई करना है किससे? वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्फेरिकल बॉल से जिसकी डायमीटर 4.2 है. Diameter is 4.2, then the radius will be 4.2 upon 2, that is 2.1 centimeter is the radius of this ball. So then the volume is 4 by 3, value of pi 22 by 7 into radius cube. अगर हम इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई कर ले तो वी गेट 38.808 ग्राम. So then, sorry, yes, it is 345. with the volume आ गया centimeter cube is multiplied by 8.9 और this is equal to 345.39 gram. That is the mass of the spherical ball whose diameter is 4.2 centimeter is equal to 345.39 gram. Now move to question number 4. The question number 4 is same as which we have done in exercise 13.4, but वहां पर सरफेस एरिया में था और यहाँ पर हमारे पास वॉल्यूम में है. सेम क्वेश्चन है हमारे. That is question number 4. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of the earth. So we have moon, that is moon, or this is earth. This is earth. It says that the diameter of the moon is 1/4 the diameter of the earth. तो इसका मतलब मून छोटा हो गया और बड़ी हो गई. हमने मान लिया the diameter of the moon is dm और the diameter of the earth is de. तो क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग dm is 1/4 of dr de, diameter of the earth. So diameter of the earth is equal to 4 times diameter of the moon, or we know that the diameter is 2 times of the radius, that re is the radius of the earth or rm is the radius of the moon, is equal to 4 times 2 into rm. So this 2 cancel with this 2, so re equal to 4 times of r. अब it says that what fraction of the volume of the earth is the volume of the moon. कि अर्थ का जो वॉल्यूम है वो वॉल्यूम ऑफ मून का कितने पार्टनर है. यानी what fraction of the volume of the earth is the volume of the moon. यानी हमें क्या निकालना है कि the volume of earth is equal to 4/3 pi radius of earth cube, or volume of moon is equal to 4/3 pi radius of moon cube. So volume of earth is 4/3 pi. Value of re, that is 4 rm whole, or this is equal to 4/3 pi 4 cube 64 into rm, or it can be written as 4/3 pi rm cube into 64, और 4/3 pi rm cube क्या है? वॉल्यूम ऑफ द मून. वॉल्यूम ऑफ मून into 64. Volume of moon is equal to 1/64 is the volume of the earth. So it means the volume of moon is 1/64, and it's 64 1/64 द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द अर्थ, यानी जो मून का वॉल्यूम होगा वो अर्थ के वॉल्यूम से का 1/64 पार्ट होगा। तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें ये कहा कि वो कितना होगा, ये हमने इसके अंदर प्रूव कर दिया कि कितना होगा कि 1/64 पार्ट होगा।